Hello Travers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about three types of income. So one is earned income, the other one is investment income, the other one is business income. So what are these three types of income? So basically, every one of us, so we'll have this steady active income, that is earned income. So suppose if you're working for 9 to 5, so you'll get your salary and compensation, so that is called earned income. So what is the investment income? Suppose if you're owning any stocks, suppose if you're investing in a stocks, or you're having a real estate, and so these kind of assets will generate some cash, like in dividends, or maybe the rent. These kind of investments are called investment income. And the third one is business income. So this one is, suppose you are owning a business, so maybe it is not a steady income, because sometimes there will be lows and highs. So but this one is like, suppose even if you're not working, sometimes it will generate money, and even if you're working, it will generate its own money. And there are some lows and highs in between, but the limit is sky, because we cannot predict how much you can earn if you have a business in your hand. So these three are different type of income streams, and it's always important to have separate passive income apart from your job. So we never know, in this COVID-19 pandemic situations, many of them lost their jobs, and many of them are jobless, and many of them are getting benefits from the government. In these situations, if you have these second and third income streams, that is investment and business, any other passive income streams, so this will be very much useful, not just for this pandemic situations. Like if you have this passive income, other passive income in life, so you'll get the freedom, you will get to know many things, you can explore a lot of things, and you cannot restrict to, there is no point restricting yourself to single place. You can travel and you can explore, and you can do lot more many things if you have this passive income. But mainly the first earned income is the first important thing. So if you are doing your passive income thing aside, like a side hustle, so once you know that, once you recognize that it is generating enough cash to live, so then you can start moving your plans, and you can shift to your side hustle, and you can make that as a business. So there are a lot of things to talk. So these, for now, these three are the three type of incomes: and investment and business. If you want to know more related to finances and investments and passive income ideas, subscribe. Let's thrive further together. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do like that button, so that it will be helpful for the YouTube algorithm to know many people. So what are the updates and personal updates and YouTube related updates, everything will be there in this Instagram account. And what are the fun happens in between, everything will be there in the Instagram account. Please do check it and follow, and let me know if you have any questions about this video or any other video in the channel. I'm happy to help you. I'm happy to respond to your comments, or happy to respond to your DMs. I'm always available. I'll see you next video. Until then, keep driving further.